In this video, I'm going to show you how to use space planning blocks to create the next level of design in our building. And you'll see right here, this is one of the mass concepts that we created. And step one in this process is, of course, is to create the views we need in order to do the space planning. And one of the things I'm going to do is set up a design option. So you'll notice right here that here's our conceptual mass. We did a square mass option, a rectangular mass, and a round lobby atrium. This is the round lobby atrium. And this is the one I've decided to take to that next level of programming blocks and deal with the interior spaces of the design. And then the round lobby atrium, you can see right here, I created a space planning option called round lobby atrium. And for the video, I've just created a new one here called new atrium options. And you'll see right over here, all I need to do to create an option is just say new, and then I can rename it and give it the appropriate name. So this is the one we're going to use to create our new option. So let's change this to a new atrium options. And of course, when we do, this particular view is going to be grayed out because it was set to only view. So the first thing I did was create a 3D view for this new atrium. I copied the old one and I should have renamed it. So let's rename it real quick. 05 new option. And so now I've got a 3D view, and then I went in and to edit and view visibility options and set this so that it's going to view only the option new atrium options and make them active. So once this is active now, whatever I draw in here will be seen. The next thing I did was copy over my original mass. So what I'm going to do is go in to the round atrium here, and let's go back to the round atrium option so that I can select. So we're just seeing the mass form floors. There we go. And so I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to go copy to clipboard or hit Control C. That will allow me to copy this file over to my new option. So I'm going to open my new option view again and change this to new option so that when I place this, it's put onto that new option. And then I'm just going to go into modify and paste and align in same place. Oh, and I didn't get the circular element of it. So let's go back. Round lobby atrium. Clipboard. And then we'll go back into new atrium. Option. Paste. Okay. So now we have the massing there, and I decided after doing some sketching that I wanted to move this and place it right over here. So what I'm going to do is go into the plan view here and do a move command, and we'll just move it over a little bit. Then I'm going to rotate it. We'll rotate it here, and then I'm going to move it again. Something kind of like that. Okay, so now it's placed, and now I'm going to got this set up, and I'm ready to do space planning here. The other thing I'm going to set up is a view here, some views to look at this on the first level and second level, because when I place these space planning blocks, the spaces are going to be different on different floors, and therefore I'm going to need access to, in a sense, to floor plans, mass floor plans. And so you'll see what I did is I just duplicated these views, but then what I did is I came in, made sure masses was turned on. So I need to make sure masses is applied. Okay, and then in the views right here, you'll notice design options. I set this to automatic so that whatever option I was in will automatically show in these views, okay, rather than it being specifically set to a particular design option. And so with those views set up, I'm ready now to start inserting my space planning blocks. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to insert those.